Page 2, Bye Bye Love. 4/4 time. There's no sharps or flats in the key signature. And the key is C major. Make sure you can do the C major scale 1 octave up and down at least. Let's go over this and check the notes. The rhythm shouldn't be a problem, I'm hoping, so we'll just check it all anyway. The right hand starts here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. This exciting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You have a rest on that one. Rest. This is fine. And I'll measure 10. It's the last measure of the second line. It's a C and a G. It's like a C chord, which is not using the middle note. And it's a whole note, and you get a bunch of these, and then the last line you can do that. Left hand, well, you have the C chord again, except we're not using the middle note. Actually, the middle note is up here. The right hand's doing it. And you get a couple of these, and then measure 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that note's melody. I'll talk about that more in a minute. Let's go on over. The last 2 measures of that line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is all melody here. For 1, 2. It's nice when they give the left hand a little melody. I like that. Put the hands together here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Right there, measure 6. 1, 2, 3. That C's by itself. Left hand comes up, and then the left hand plays. Then the left hand gets it. The right hand gets the chords. I like it when they switch it around like that, because you really need to develop both hands. Connect everything as best you can except for the rest. Just play it as connected as you can, no big deal. As far as the dynamics, whatever you think loud is, don't get carried away with loud. But loud applies to the melody. The dynamic applies, everything else is supporting the melody, so everything else has to be background. This soft. Can you play one hand loud and one hand soft at the same time? It's something to practice when you're doing the scale. Practice playing one hand loud and the other hand soft, and then switch them. And then let the other hand play loud and the first hand play soft. So you gain that control. It takes a little time to get the control, but I'm asking you to work at it and keep at it, because it will come in time. And it's kind of important. Well, we want to hear the melody. There, measure 6. That's all melody and it's loud. So the left hand is soft and then loud for one note. Because it needs to sound like one hand played it all. No. And then on measure 9, I think it is, where the left hand gets melody, it's loud. The right hand's soft. Takes over, and then you're soft, you're echoing that. And the left hand's very soft. The last chord at the very end, we want to hear that. This is very soft. Do the best you can. As far as the speed goes, well, moderately somewhere in the middle, but it's the overall feel of the piece. It's not the speed of the beat, because to me this should go. How fast I feel it should go, but if that's the beat would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. That's not a moderate speed, that's a fast speed. But to me, the flow of the piece is what counts, and the beat is whatever it is. So I would suggest 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Same speed. Let's play it together and check the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do any dynamics. I'm going to play both hands about the same. I want you to hear it carefully. If you need to, play it one hand at a time. Let's just try it together and make sure you have the notes and rhythms correct. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.